Hey everybody, one thing I forgot to mention in the previous video was that you can show or hide as many of these coins as you'd like. Same thing with the dollar bills. You can show, you can hide whatever you want. And to do that, simply go to where it says Edit Graph. And everything is in these folders here, so all you need to do is just turn it off like this, or turn it on. See how the pennies disappear and the nickels. So if you want to differentiate for students who are struggling more or you don't want to have them count that high, you can just hide whatever you want to hide. And now we could just only have a screen that contains only, say, nickels and pennies. Or with the dollar bills, we can go to Edit Graph here, and we can hide the $20 bills, and we can hide the tens, and you can custom make a cash register to look like anything you want. So I forgot to mention that in the other video. Just wanted to show you here.